I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Scoby to make kombucha. First, gather your supplies. 1 Scoby, 1 cup of starter tea, 8 cups of filtered water, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 tea bags. Next, ensure all your brewing equipment is meticulously cleaned to prevent contamination. Finally, brew your sweet tea by dissolving 1 cup of sugar in hot water, then steeping 4 tea bags for about 5 minutes. Once your sweet tea has cooled to room temperature, it's time to introduce your Scoby. Gently place the Scoby into the tea along with 1 cup of strong starter tea from a previous batch. This starter tea lowers the pH, creating an acidic environment that protects your brew. Cover your brewing vessel with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band, allowing air circulation while keeping contaminants out. Now find a warm spot, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for your kombucha to ferment. Keep it out of direct sunlight. The fermentation process typically takes 7 to 10 days. During this time, the Scoby consumes the sugar, transforming your sweet tea into tangy kombucha. Begin tasting your brew around day 5 using a clean spoon until it reaches your preferred balance of sweetness and tartness. When your kombucha tastes just right, carefully remove the Scoby and about 2 cups of the finished kombucha to use as starter tea for your next batch. Pour the remaining kombucha into airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. For a fizzy, flavored drink, add your favorite fruits or juices to the bottles and let them ferment for an additional 1 to 3 days at room temperature before refrigerating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.